This is an urgent update for anyone that's participating in the 101 Moneymaker PAM account. I need you to listen to this entire video, watch it all the way through. Do not skip anything. Lock in with me, guys. What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And on this channel, I share multiple ways and multiple plays that you can earn passive income through cryptocurrency and beyond. So if you're interested in that type of thing, I need you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. We got some crazy stuff that's going on with 101 Moneymaker right now. Now, you guys know this PAM account got off to a phenomenal start, putting up very impressive numbers. But I come to report to you that this PAM account has taken a swing, a violent swing in the other direction. And I want to tell you guys all about it. Now, you can already see on the screen, there's some glaring results right now that's showing that the gain is negative 26.36%. Man, the absolute gain is negative 39.18%. Guys, this thing right now is absolutely not doing well, right? It is not doing well at all. And I had to come tell you guys about it. You know, I share with you the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything in between. You know what I mean, right? So I want you guys to see exactly all the stuff that's happening. The drawdown right now is at 95.32%. Ridiculous. Now, my question, and I'm questioning this for everybody that's involved in it, right? What's going on? What is the risk management strategy that they are using? I understand. And I'm going to go to the news that's listed in the 101 Moneymaker announcements Telegram. We're going to look at that. I'm going to bring that into the screen. As a matter of fact, let's do that right now. I'm going to go ahead and bring that into the screen before I make any comments and things that I have. And I'm going to stay positive. You guys know that I'm a positive individual, but I'm also a real individual that's going to tell you exactly how I feel and my perspective on everything that's going on. So let's look at what happened yesterday. They dropped in a note in the Telegram on, I believe that was on February. Yeah, it says February 13th. So on February 13th, yeah, that was yesterday. They dropped this note in here and they said, sad news, but not the end. Dear valued members, we have some unfortunate news to share with you today regarding our 101 Moneymaker PAM account. It took a significant loss of negative 46.86%, which has undoubtedly hurt us all. As a result, our equity now stands at a lowly 10%, and we find ourselves in 90% drawdown. However, we want to assure you that this is not the end. While the situation is disheartening, we remain optimistic. Forex trading is a dynamic and unpredictable market, and losses are a part of the journey. The silver lining is that we still have 10% left in the fund to trade with, and there are open positions that offer potential. The cause of this epic loss can be attributed to the quick market dive triggered by the CPI news announcement this morning. The assets surpassed our stop losses. Look at this now. The assets surpassed our stop losses, forcing us to manually close the trades under drastic circumstances. Despite this setback, we are satisfied with the performance of our trading team over the past 2 weeks. We are determined not to let this discourage us. In fact, we are bringing on board another team of traders and exploring different technologies to enhance our strategies. It's important to note that while the PAM account is facing difficulties, our 101 Moneymaker plans and 301 super plans are unaffected. We understand your concerns regarding posting losses in sync with our other plans, payout days, and times. Rest assured, we are actively working on resolving this issue for those who have both PAM and other plans within the same account. We kindly request your patience as we navigate through this trading mess. Remember, trading is a roller coaster ride with its ups and downs. We appreciate your faith in us and urge you to remain hopeful. We still have equity and open trades, which means we have a chance to bounce back. Thank you for your continuous support and trust. the management of the management of one-on-one moneymaker. Together, we will overcome this hurdle and emerge stronger than ever before. Stay positive and stay tuned for updates. So that's what they sent out yesterday. And guys, look, I want to tell you here. I understand what they're saying for the most part. You guys know I am not a professional trader, as you will, but I've been looking at PAMM accounts and I've been looking at things, and I have been evaluating trading and trading strategies and things like that. And here's one thing that I know, guys. I talk to traders all the time, and one of the things that they tell me, a lot of traders, they say they do not trade the news. All right. Whether you're using an EA, expert advisor, a bot, whatever algorithm, manual trading, whatever you're doing, most traders tell me they do not trade the news. Why? Because there's usually extreme volatility that's unpredictable when there are news events happening, right? And so if you know that CPI numbers, right, are dropping, if you know that, why trade during that time? That's what I'm asking. Now, there may be an legitimate answer for that, but I'm asking. I'm going to reach out to leadership. You know, guys, I had the CMO on. I'm going to reach out to those there and ask these questions. But I had to come out and put this out there for you guys because I wanted you guys to know exactly what's going on. If you got involved with one-on-one moneymaker and you actually checked out the PAMM account and that's where you deposited your money, you see these significant losses. And so I think you guys, yes, understand that Forex is volatile, right? Understand that Forex can be a roller coaster, but there's best practices and there's measures that you put in place for safety, strategies that you put in place so that their risk management is in control. I've been on the phone with people with different algorithms, different bots, different things like that. And this is some of the discussion that we have about safety and about risk management and about strategies to manage the risk that comes along with the foreign exchange market. I'm not saying that it should be perfect, but I'm saying that risk management practices should be in place, right? So this is what I wanted to talk about, guys. Right now, I'm not telling anybody, of course, to put any money, which I don't tell you guys what to do anyway. That's up to you. But I'm advising to be cautious of putting money into the PAMM account as we speak. So far, like they said, the one-on-one accounts and the 301 super plan or super account, those are still working well, right? But just let's keep in mind, right, that PAMM account is doing this. Now they said they're bringing on another team. I don't know if this is going to be a different PAMM account or if this is going to, how that's going to affect things, what strategies they're going to be using. But that's kind of the questions that I'm going to be asking going forward to see exactly how they plan to handle and manage this. And since yesterday, guys, it didn't get any better. If it would have gotten better today, I would have chalked it up as, hey, one bad day out of several, which is not one bad day. They had another bad day too. I think it was a day that they lost like 19%. But overall, they were still up when they had the day that it was 19%. So that wasn't a problem, right? Hey, you managed it well. They were still up. So that was cool. But now that, this is basically been an atrocious loss, right, for a lot of people that may have had funds in the PAMM account. And I just want people to be aware right now, before you deposit more funds into the PAMM account, I want you to evaluate, just do yourself a favor. I'm not telling you what to do, right? I'm just telling you, I'm going to monitor this thing. I'm going to look at it. I'm going to check it out and see what it does from here. Now, it could very well bounce back and do all that type of stuff, but who knows, right? And this is why I evaluate PAMM accounts over the long haul. And I like to evaluate PAMM accounts that have been around for a while and see how they perform over time, because that really tells the true story about a PAMM account. And you guys know I introduced the PAMM account to you guys that is doing absolutely phenomenal. And even during the news, during yesterday, it produced a profit. Okay, it produced a profit yesterday, and it's produced a profit today. It's doing incredibly well, and it's done 181% since its inception. very conservative. It's not going to get you really high numbers any day, but it's going to give you conservative gains over a long period of time. And that's kind of the thing that I like, guys. I like the things that we can say, hey, look, I've been in this thing for a while and it's made me some money over the long haul, right? Because I've found that to be a strategy that you can use. Now, I do have some stuff that's coming up. I'm going to be doing an AMA with someone that's been around for 7 years, very conservative. You can actually just connect this bot to your own broker, whatever broker you want to use. You license the bot. They license you the bot. It's a lifetime access, so you get to keep it forever. And you can actually go ahead and earn profits on your money. Here's one key fact here, right? They've never lost equity for any one of their clients. Now, you can't give any guarantees in the Forex space, but they've never lost equity for any of their clients. It's a powerful thing. I'm going to have an AMA. They've been around for 7 years. The company's been in existence for 7 years, right? And also, one of the things is they've been averaging anywhere from 3 to 8% per month, depending on the strategies that you're using, whether you're going to use a conservative strategy or you're going to use a more advanced strategy. Either way, it's 3 to 8% per month. People are loving it. Now, what I do have to tell you, this is for people who are serious. This is not for the people who are curious, right? This is not for the people. If you're trying to trade off of $100, this is not going to be for you. This is for the people who are serious about getting into the trading and really having some stuff happen. And so I can get you in front of them. We're going to do an AMA. We're going to sit down. He's actually here in my area. So we're going to sit down. We're going to do an AMA, whether it's virtually or in person. We're going to do that. And we're going to present this opportunity for you. I know it won't be for everybody, but it will be for somebody. Somebody's going to take advantage of it, and they're going to get some phenomenal results with this. And I'm excited that we get to bring this to the community. But we're going to keep our eye on one-on-one money maker. Hopefully it comes back so we can get some people making some incredible money. Once again, if you're in a one-on-one plan or a 301 plan, you should be good right now, right? If you're not in the PAMM account, you have nothing to worry about. But those of you all who are participated in the PAMM account, you see what is happening, and I just wanted you guys to be aware of that. And I want to tell you guys, like, look, I'm personally not depositing more into the PAMM account until we actually see what the results are going to be going forward. As always, guys, you know what we're going to do, right? We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose, but we're investing for the opportunity to win. Now, once you get off this video, I want you to go check out this one right here. This should be a video on the screen right here, and it'll tell you a lot more about the PAMM account that I was just talking to you guys about earlier if you want to take part in that. To the next video, you guys have a phenomenal day. I am out. Peace.